Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a Nintendo DSi Blue. The problem with that Nintendo it's not even, it has two faults, as you will see in a moment. I can't even insert the cartridge inside, and also when I fix that it's not reading the game, so it's twofold. I bought this for approximately 11 euros, so I hope you will like it. Okay, let's now disassemble the device. As you can see, they are missing some things from the device, so it indicates that someone already opened it.
You go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned like...
At this point you need to be very careful, because there is a ribbon cable behind the case, so don't ask too much pressure on it.
We're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim. No worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
As you can see, the game now it's going inside, but it's not reading. It was my mistake, because I lost some time. I should check first under the microscope and see if there is another problem. Okay, as you can see under the microscope, now we can see the third pin from the right. It's always pushed down. I will try to take a lift a little. Don't ask too much pressure, because you maybe destroy the pin. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Now, with mathematical precision, that I call it, we fix the pin. I want to apologize to you, because it's very hard to work in the little space, and also at the same time you be able to under the microscope. But I will show you in the end how I fix it.
There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
To clean everything you want in the device, always use isopropyl alcohol. it's called IPA. And always it must be 99%.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine.
Okay, for the last detail, the case has a lot of white spots from the scratch, so I painted with a permanent pen like a blue to cover some of that.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're